Struggling to land that dream job because your resume just isn't cutting it? Ever wonder if there's a way to get a professional, eye-catching resume without spending a fortune? If you've been tirelessly searching for a resume builder that combines stunning design with powerful features, you've probably come across kickresume. It's a fantastic tool, no doubt, but the premium price tag can be a bit of a hurdle for many job seekers, especially when you're already on a tight budget. So, what if I told you there's a way to harness the power of kickresume, get those sleek, modern designs, and make your application stand out all without opening your wallet? Today, we're diving deep into a topic that every job seeker dreams about: how to download kickresume for free. Now, before you get too excited, let's set some realistic expectations. This isn't about shady cracks or illegal downloads. We're going to explore legitimate, ethical, and effective strategies to leverage kickresume's offerings without paying for a premium subscription. We'll be looking at how to maximize the free features, creative workarounds, and alternative methods that can give you a resume just as impressive as one built with a paid kickresume account. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with the knowledge to create a resume that gets noticed for free. First things first, let's understand kickresume's free tier. Yes, kickresume does offer a free plan, and it's more robust than you might think. While it doesn't give you access to all the bells and whistles of the premium version, it provides a solid foundation for creating a professional resume. With the free plan, you can access a limited number of templates and customization options. The key here is to make the most of what's available. Choose one of their free templates that best suits your industry and personal brand. Focus on clear, concise language, strong action verbs, and quantifiable achievements. Remember, even with a basic template, stellar content is what truly sets you apart. Spend time crafting compelling bullet points that highlight your accomplishments and demonstrate your value to potential employers. Now, let's talk about a clever workaround for those who want a bit more design flexibility without upgrading. kickresume allows you to create a resume and then download it as a PDF. Even with the free plan, you can preview your resume in various templates. The trick here is to utilize the preview function. While you can't officially download premium templates on the free plan, you can take high-quality screenshots of your resume preview in different premium templates. Once you have these screenshots, you can then stitch them together using a free image editor like GIMP, Canva, their free version, or even basic photo editing software on your computer. This isn't a perfect solution, as it involves a bit more manual work, and the quality might not be as crisp as a direct PDF download, but it can give you a very close approximation of a premium design for free. Be mindful of any watermarks and try to crop them out if possible. This method requires a bit of patience and attention to detail, but the results can be surprisingly good. Another often overlooked strategy is to leverage kickresume's free cover letter builder. Many job applications require both a resume and a cover letter. While you're utilizing the free resume features, make sure to also take advantage of their free cover letter templates. A well-crafted cover letter that complements your resume can significantly boost your application. Even if you're using a basic resume template, a professional cover letter can demonstrate your attention to detail and genuine interest in the role. Spend time tailoring your cover letter to each specific job you apply for, highlighting how your skills and experiences align with the job description. Furthermore, consider exploring kickresume's blog and career resources. They often provide valuable tips on resume writing, interview preparation, and job search strategies. While not directly related to downloading the builder for free, these resources can indirectly help you craft a more compelling application, regardless of the template you use. Knowledge is power, and understanding what recruiters are looking for can elevate even a simple resume. Now, for a slightly different approach, the trial period. kickresume, like many online services, occasionally offers free trial periods for their premium features. Keep an eye out for these promotions. If you time it right, you can sign up for a free trial, create your perfect resume using all the premium templates and features, and then download it as a PDF before the trial period ends. Remember to cancel your subscription before you get charged. This method requires a bit of vigilance and quick action, but it's a legitimate way to access premium features temporarily without any cost. Make sure to set a reminder for yourself to cancel the trial to avoid any unwanted charges. Finally, let's talk about alternatives. While the goal of this video is specifically about kickresume, it's worth mentioning that there are other excellent free resume builders available online that can give kickresume a run for its money in terms of design and functionality. Tools like Canva, their free resume templates are surprisingly good, Google Docs with a bit of design flair, and even some open source options can help you create professional-looking resumes without spending a dime. If, after trying all the kickresume workarounds, you find it's still not meeting your needs, exploring these free alternatives might be your best bet. The key is to find a tool that allows you to present your skills and experience in the most impactful way possible. The job market is competitive, and your resume is often your first impression. By applying these strategies, you can create a resume that not only looks professional but also effectively communicates your value to potential employers, all without the financial burden of a premium subscription. Remember, a great resume isn't just about fancy designs. It's about clear, concise, and compelling content that showcases your unique abilities. Invest your time in crafting powerful bullet points, quantifying your achievements, and tailoring your resume to each job application. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.